Hi, and welcome to I Love the Library. My name is Lisa Tran, and I'm the Public Services Supervisor here at the Detroit Lakes Public Library. Today I'll be giving you a brief overview on how to use Overdrive to read/listen to e-books and ebooks, along with recommending some of the currently available titles. I'll now be sharing my screen so that I can walk you through how to do it. So here we'll be going to laurel.org, which is our main website. From here, you're going to be clicking on eBooks and Downloads and going to Overdrive and eBooks and e-audiobooks. From here, you will sign in with your library barcode number. Now don't worry, if you don't have a library card, feel free to use the Apply Online option on the Laurel website, or if you don't remember your card number, feel free to email us at detroit@laurel.org. Overdrive is also available as an app for your electronic devices, as well as Libby too. And any items available shown today will be available on the app. So if you have any questions about using Overdrive after this, just call the library hotline at 833-522-5275. And with that, let's get into using Overdrive. So I'm just going to put in my library card number here so we can get a good idea of what it will look like. And as it loads, all right, so from here, you are able to search by title, author, or keyword. I'm going to search for I Know What You Did Last Summer and see what it pulls up. You can see, it has one result, and it has a blue banner above it indicating that it is available. Other banners that you might see are not owned, and then there's other ones that are called waitlist or coming soon. The waitlist ones indicates that you can place the item on hold, and once it becomes available, you'll be able to read it. And coming soon indicates that we are waiting for the release of the item, but you can place a hold on it for whenever it comes out. The not owned means that we currently don't own it, but you can recommend it to us for purchase. One could email us at that same detroit@laurel.org email to see if they want to get it. If you want to get more details on the book, you'll just click on it. It'll tell you if you can borrow it, or you can read a sample, or you can get more details like how many pages and things that is. This particular book, I Know What You Did Last Summer by Sherry Harris, is a fun garage sale mystery. Join Sarah Winston, an expert garage sailor, in helping out with an athletic equipment swap for a school fundraiser. However, the swap becomes more than just a swap. Things get stolen and a person is murdered, and it is up to Sarah to help solve the case. Another book that you might be interested in reading, available on Overdrive, is The Girl in White Gloves. This is a very fascinating tale that looks into Grace Kelly's life from her time at becoming a famous actress to her time at becoming an actual royalty, and learn about how, even in a fairy tale seeming life, all is not as it appears. The next book that I'll be talking about is The Mountains Sing. This particular book focuses on Vietnam during the 1970s as the conflict is tearing the country apart. And you're going to follow the characters' lives with stunning descriptions of the power of kindness and hope. Also, a side note, for how to borrow, if you're just going to click on borrow, you'll be able to choose the due date. So either 14 days or 21 days. Once you hit borrow, you can have it for that length of time, and it'll automatically return if you haven't returned it before. You can renew items as well, provided that they don't have another hold on it. Next book would be Hired Guns by William Johnston and J.A. Johnston. Once again, it's another Western, and Luke Jensen takes on a job of becoming a bounty hunter for a mine owner. He doesn't expect that the only person who will be able to help him on this job when he gets into trouble, though, is the person he's actually supposed to be hunting for. What will Luke end up doing and deciding? Our next book will be The Drifter by Nick Petrie. If you enjoy Lee Child, this book will be one that you should check out. After returning home from Iraq, Peter Ash spends most of his time by himself roaming nature. However, after helping repair an army buddy's wife's porch, he discovers a mysterious suitcase full of money. As Peter investigates, what will he find out, and where will this investigation take him? And lastly, one of my personal favorites is Strange the Dreamer. This one was showing you the audiobook version, as you can get this in book format and audiobook format as well. I just finished reading this book, and I will say it's one of my favorite fantasies I've read to date. It is fantastic descriptions, and the character development is excellent. Lazao Strange is a librarian who just dreams of a mysterious city named Weep. Join him in a journey of discovering the city and the reason its new name is Weep. It's filled with adventure, mystery, revenge, dread, and wonder. It's sure to capture your attention from beginning to end. And the only thing I disliked about it was the giant cliffhanger that this book leaves you on. Thankfully, book 2 is available on Overdrive, so I know what I'll be reading next. Thank you so much for watching. I love the library, and I hope that some of these ebooks are recommendations that you'll enjoy and inspire you to read.